Okay, traders, IWM short. Let me show you right here, right now, about the IWM, the Russell 2000. And I told you on the website, stay out of small cap. Right here on the website, we're short the Russell 2000. And I said, stay out. More downside, trader. What part of that don't you people understand? You small cap lovers. Let me tell you something. They don't make money. They don't. Small cap. IWN runs with that. And we also have the IWN put options right here on the website, and that we do. Here's what I encourage you. This website is a wealth of information. It's more information than anyone has as far as I'm concerned, because it's related to what? It's related to trading. It's related to you making money. It's built for you to join. It's everything that you want. I would stay on the site. I would sign up for the free 5-day trial. I would get to witness how accurate we are. You need to see our platform in live trading action.